gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. Are you serious? It's called The Last Soldier. I'm the last soldier. Vanos One is joining. Alright, but guys, I have now my own intro, and I'm making for my sister as well an intro because she wants an intro, and
I don't.
you said.
No, I don't.
But currently we're playing the game called The Last Soldier. Apparently, I wanna check the items depot, and how about the armors? Yo, oh my god, sick.
You should not step on it.
Wait, what? A diamond chest plate? And then we have here a gold one. Then we have here an iron. That is so confusing. But press to get equipment. Here we have a bottle of and a bow. Wait. Bottle of enchantment.
At rules. 1. Don't break blocks. 2. Do not cheat. 3. It isn't a single player map. 4. Play on survival. 5. Set render distance on max. It is the main rule. Set it on max or map will has bugs.
Yeah, it says only one single player. So that's why that guy tried to join. But they can turn off single players.
Creator map by.
Oh, last warning. Alright, that's creepy. How to play and story. Okay, is this the story?
Story. Some strange enemies from space are trying to destroy the world. You have mission to eliminate them and rescue the world by completing missions in every stage. At good luck.
Alright.
At how to play. 1. For shooting only press long time on screen.
What are you playing?
Do you mean this is the bottle of enchant? No. I worked very hard on this map. Alright, start the game. Note you need a powerful device to play with no lags. Oh, good thing I have no lag. Sometimes I might yell The Last Soldier. Map by last warning. I'm not having lag, which is great. Kill the boss. Alright. I think I might not kill the boss cause I know. Let me put this here. The bow. Here we go. One choke. Okay, I'm using my bottle of one choke. Oh, punk. Oh, I'm almost dead, guys. Oh my god.
Finally, I have lag.
Should we just not Ow! If I die, oh my, I'm dead.
Charbalatula was slain by zombie.
I failed to try again. My mission failed. I was slain, but how do they show it? Like, bro, what the flip? Goodbye. What? Headshot. Alright, I think I should put in it infinity. Yeah, I almost broke. Alright. Am I even wearing an armor? Pew. Oh, rest in peace. Oh my god, there's no one with armor. Oh my god, and they're dead. They look like skeleton. To me, I'm locking this prison cell. Anyways. And there's a bunch more missions. We need to kill the. If my arrows is up to 1, then I'm definitely putting infinity on it. Cause you know how difficult it is to play with just 64. Pew. Oh, poop. No, I can't pick up weapon.
7.
Be careful. I have my bow ready to fight. Right. Look, we're safe. Am I done? Are we done? Huh?
6
I'm not sure. Let's check up here. I think I was done.
Serpent.
What?
Can you do it for me?
Mass? I don't know it. Just do wrong. Just do it
Maybe
wrong.
it's 71.
It's not 71. It's nothing. What? Shut up.
I find 2 notebooks. 2.
I love jar. Lol. Okay, but can you move?
There's a notebook here.
Hey, Baldy.
Baldy over here.
I know. Why is he like so shift? I'm sure I saw her ladder. Can I just wait? Are we done? Wait, the map creators say that there's more stages, but that's it. Should we just like break them? Okay, shut up. You don't need to tell. What? Because the map creator said this is gonna. Wait, is this the boss fight? I think it's nothing but the map creator said that there was more.
I left.
Oh, wait. Oh my god, I just need to give myself slash give address bread 64.
Take the bow.
Perfect. Is there more? The map creator was being like honest. He said that there's tons more. But all we killed are not a lot. Yo, I say there. Oh, I see now. Do you even go down here? Can you? I don't think. Oh, what is this? But there's nobody here. Oh my god. What? I think that I have to wait. Yup, that wait. I better go to creative mode. Yeah, I say there's not many rooms. What the flip is that? I think that's one of his maps he made. Yeah, I think here where you like escape, you go to the boat and mission. Right, so also it's telling you how to get away to get outside and then continue on. Oh, I see. Alright, let's continue on right here. Let me go back to survival. Let's definitely continue on. But my bottle of enchantment. Alright. I love jar. Alright. How many are there? Oh, there's a lot. Get out of here. Get out of the way, bro. Ah! Oh my god, that scared the Wait, what? Why can't I not hit it?
Charbalatula was slain by zombie.
Mission failed. Oh my god. You know, I think I should add like infinity on it. Let's do that. Slash enchant add infinite. Now has infinity. When boy, you know what? I think now we need armor to protect ourselves. Wait, let's try diamonds. Can we? Oh, yo, that looks sick. What is that? Why is it a key? Oh yeah, I currently forgot that this thing is like. They only have alright. So I think that we're full setup. Oops. I'm not. Alright, so. Oh my. What I have done. I currently forgot that we must fly over. Because the map creator said there were more, but I think that he forgot to connect it to each other. But I really love these weapons. They look sake, I might use this add-on. And what is this actually? Are you serious? It's a freaking key. Why is it a key in this diamond? You know, I'm not even gonna. Now here's the bottle of enchantment. Or shoot fire. We need extra more. So I'm just dropping these up. Whoa. That scared me. Wait. Where's the boat? There it is. Now what I want to do is do my spawn point. It worked? I guess so, because this not says. No way. Why am I not shooting them? Oh, there we go. There we go. Get out! Oh my god, good thing I'm gonna protect this armor. Last time we died over here, did we? Oh my god, that scared the life out of me. You get out of the way, I have armor. Wait, what? Why I'm not shooting this? Why I'm not shooting this, boy? Pew. There you go, that's what you get. Is that what she said? There you go. More up here? Nope. Wait, there's another stairs. More? Nope. More. Yo, that's a freaking computer. How did they did this? Yo, I think that we have to go to creator. What add-ons did they put on this as well? Wait, let's check. Resource pack. What kind of add-on? The Last Soldier, created by Last One. How did they find this computer? I checked this out. What kind of block? Wait, that's burial block. Wow, yeah, that's actually burial block in this update. I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes, but there's definitely. How did he find that? Oh my god, we better check. Yeah, because that's sick. I think that's really sick. We should also give ourselves like a weapon. Let's give ourselves like a stone sword or anything. Like anything contacts with a sword. I'm just gonna rest in peace swords. Nope, bow. For the oh my. I think that I need that, guys. I'm turning on multiplayers. Wait, it's turned on. But how the flip did that guy find that? What is that? Wait, oh my god! How are these people joining? Even though it isn't single player. Yo, look at the tridents! Yo, we're gonna look at the potions as well. They all look pretty sick. But I'm looking for this computer. Well, are you? Boop. Yo, that's sick. So they actually place it. That's sick. Alright, look at the trident, guys. Oh, it still looks the same. But who cares? Let's continue on our mission. By the ways, and select the lever. Oh, that's understand. I'll just flick it. Oh yeah, and flick. So, but nothing seems to work. We're done. Or there's more soldiers. So I think there's like more soldiers up in here. Definitely more soldiers. Wait, I didn't take any damage. Storage. Wow. I just give myself a stone sword. It's just the maze. I don't see any zombies, which is not great because wait. So the way to lose this game is you should not have lag at all. And I'm pretty sure that. Wait, did I just set it on peaceful? No, you know what? I'm just gonna set it on hard mode. Let's go insane. Let's go insane here. And the insane mode does not work. We're doing an extreme mode. There should be more here. The last soldiers. And it said to me, the last soldiers. Are we done? Are we mission accomplished? Are we done? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there might be like something around. Better check. Alright, so nothing is. Yeah, I think I'm not getting lag. But if you guys like that intro, make sure to comment I like it. Oh, that's just a prison cell. I kind of forgot. I'm gonna go up here. You'll have another prison cell. Yeah, I forgot to check. There might be something. Nope. There's nothing. Oh my god. That's weird. Now what should I do? Am I done? Am I done? Guys, I think that we're done. What is that block? Oh wait. Well, I'm not picking it up. I think, guys, we're done. But we guys, our mission accomplished. What? Mission accomplished. We did it. The last soldier survived this alien attack. We're currently survived, guys, the alien attack. Wait, so if I flick this is supposed to activate. I think. Oh wait, I forgot. I turned on. I think if I break this, there's something supposed to be down there. I think that the map creator yeah. Told you. Oh the guy, there's definitely something down there. And what is that? Yeah, but the map creator said that there was like something down here. My mission accomplished. Weird. Oh my god, I told you guys. How did that guy escaped? Get back to your prison cells. Get back! Okay, I told you guys there's way more than only these guys. Don't think that your gun will push me away. Oh, one hit. No, so definitely there is more. But I think that's it. Mission accomplished. And this was made in a flat world. But guys, how am I doing that right now? It's like the fastest one, but mission accomplished. We did it. Who's dying twice in a row. We did it, guys. We are the bravest last soldier ever. Wait. It might be down in the water because they drowned. Am I right? Okay, I guess not. Wait. Why are people joining? But guys, this is like one of the best maps that I made, and here like where we start. Now here when you like complete the game. Alright, connect with me email of course. Wrong. Wait, what is that? What is that I'm getting? Oh! No. Oh yeah, there we go. The last warning, connect with me. Email, last warning 2005-2018 gmail.com. thanks, especially thanks mcpedl.com last morning. So guys, I'm giving to him a big shout out for making this map. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next. Bye.